Yo, 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 Math by the Moon. Today I'm going to show you a little bit about this bell ringer before you take your quiz, because I think it'll help you on a few of the short answer questions. So this question here specifically says on your quiz, it's going to tell you to rewrite this first as an exponent. So we got to know what the cube root is as an exponent. So that's negative 216 x to the 16th y z to the 5th, and the cube root is the same as the 1/3 power. Okay, so now we're ready to apply our exponent rule, which is the power of a power, right? So we're going to take this power and we're going to multiply the exponents. We're going to multiply the exponents, but we have to remember to raise this to the 1/3 power. In other words, to the cube root of it. So the cube root of negative 216 is negative 6. Okay, and in your calculator, if you're typing it in, you got to remember it's hugged in parentheses. You got to type that guy in. Okay, the rest of your exponents you're going to multiply. Oh, don't forget your y. So it will be x to the 16 over 3, because this is 16 over 1, and the y would be 1 times 1/3, so 1/3. And the z would be to the 5/3. And that's your final answer right there. Okay, the next one we're going to look at is our second question in our bell ringer. Now, it's going to give you the same hint once you rewrite it as an exponent first. So negative 256 x 12, all this junk inside this radical to the 14th power. And then the 4th root is the 1/4 power. Okay, so now we have the same situation we were just in. We're going to do the power to the negative 256, which that negative 256 to the 1/4 power is an even root of a negative, so it's going to be imaginary. So it's 4i. 4i. Oh, crud. That looks horrible. Let's try this again. 4i. And then we're going to multiply these exponents, all of them, by 1/4. So 12 times a 4th is 3. The y will be raised to the 1/4 power, because it's 1/4 times 1. And the z will be to the 14 over 4, which is 7 over 2. And there's your final answer. So the main thing that I was concerned about would be this step right here, where you have to convert the radical to an exponent and then use the rule, okay, for power of a power. Hopefully this helps you with your bell ringer today, and also with a couple of the questions on the quiz. Later.